Welcome to a pre-recorded webinar on QuoteTrader's free charts. Hi, I'm Brent Threadgill, QuoteTrader's product manager. This webinar was presented by Avery Hodge, developer support technician at eSignal. Without further ado, let's join Avery and the other participants.
We have our charts, and right across the top there you'll see that you have your symbol, our interval for the chart, so we can do 1, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60, daily, weekly, and monthly on the charts. Right underneath that you'll have your issues. It's a folder that allows you to put in the issues. Right now I have a variety of issues that I already have in there. And then the property, so you can change the color of your bars, color of your background, all the basic information for your chart goes into the properties. The next thing we have here is the crosshairs, and what that does is it allows you to check the open, high, low, close of different bars in your chart. So if you want to see, you want to look at this bar, you want to see what the high of that particular bar was, or the opening of that bar. That's what the crosshairs are going to do for you. And those obviously can be turned on or off. And you'll notice that each one of as the crosshair crosses over each bar, it tells you the time frame of that bar. So you see 6:18, 9:30. Right beside that, you have scaling for the chart. So if you start going around with the chart and it gets a little out of view there, you can always click on scaling and shift it back to where it should be. We also have the reset button that does the same thing. So if you stretch your chart all out or get it out of whack, you can always just set it back to reset, and that will put it back into its original location. And then the other bars here, this one, the next button is going to be for our studies. We have, I think it's 13 different studies here that you can add to your charts, from the auto trend channels, Bollinger Bands, the moving averages, parabolics, all that information. And if you need more information on that, you can go onto the web, find out information in regards to the different studies, and we'll also look under our help. It gives you more information to help you out with the different studies and analytics that we provide for the QuoteTrader. All the other buttons are just going to be for looks of the chart. So you can move up and down, left, right. You can fatten up your bars. You can thin your bars. And then the other ones are going to be for squeezing your chart together, removing your chart, moving your bars up and down. I'm going to reset here. So those are those items. Right underneath that, you'll see there's once again another quick link to the Raging Bull. Once again, a bulletin board for different stocks and information. It's an area where different traders come together and discuss different things, from trading styles, stocks. There's a variety of things on there that you can look at. And underneath that, you'll see that we have a quote window where you can set up different instruments that you can look at. And it's rather the nifty thing. Matter of fact, I think it's next week what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do another class on getting started with QuoteTrader, so you can learn how to add the symbols into the QuoteTrader, adding symbols, how to set up your charts, add the indicators, and all that fun stuff. So we'll go through each one of the windows more in depth than what we are today. So that's next week, 1:30 Pacific Standard Time, 4:30 Eastern, on getting started with QuoteTrader.
Hope you learned a few new ways QuoteTrader can help your trading. If so, let us know. You can contact us directly by emailing trading@quote.com or visit us on the web at quote.com, where you can get QuoteTrader or just more information, including access to online help and our active community, Raging Bull. Remember, QuoteTrader is free, so install it today and find out how it can make a difference in your trading.